Can you earn money from Wealthsimple? That is the question on so many of your minds right now, and it is a question we need to answer with absolute clarity today. Because if you are standing on the doorstep of retirement, or if you are already there, the way you make money changes completely. You are no longer in the wealth accumulation phase where you can just throw money at the stock market, close your eyes, and hope for the best over the next 30 years. You do not have 30 years to wait out a market crash. You need income, you need safety, and you need to know exactly where every single dollar is going. Now, look at me. You look at these slick, modern financial apps like Wealthsimple, with their clean smartphone screens and their clever advertisements, and it is completely natural to feel a sense of hesitation. It feels like it was built for your grandkids, doesn't it? It feels like a video game. And that brings up a massive fear. The fear of the unknown. The fear that if a financial institution doesn't have a big, stone and mortar building on the corner of your street with a vault you can see, your money isn't safe. You worry that one glitch in an app could wipe out your entire life savings, or that you are going to get trapped in some high-risk, speculative investment scheme that you don't understand. I understand that fear. I respect that fear. Because that fear is what keeps you safe. But let's strip away the fancy branding and look at the raw facts. Can you earn money from Wealthsimple in retirement safely? Yes, you absolutely can. But you have to do it right. You have to understand the specific accounts available to you right now, and you cannot afford to make careless mistakes. First, let's talk about the absolute simplest way to earn money on this platform without risking a single penny of your hard-earned principal in the stock market. Wealthsimple offers a checking account that behaves very differently from the traditional checking accounts at the big banks. The big banks want to charge you $15 a month just to hold your money, and they pay you 0% interest. Wealthsimple does the opposite. They charge no monthly fees, and they pay a baseline interest rate of 1.25% on your everyday spending money. But it gets better, and this is where you need to pay attention to how you position your assets. If you move a larger portion of your nest egg over, say you reach $100,000 in total assets with them, you cross into what they call their premium tier. That immediately bumps your everyday interest rate up to 1.75%. If you have $500,000 or more, you enter the generation tier, and that rate moves up to 2.25%. You can even get an extra 0.5% boost on top of those rates if you set up a direct deposit of at least $2,000 a month. Think about that. You could be earning up to 2.25% or more on money that is completely liquid. Money you can spend tomorrow. And your cash is protected by CDIC coverage up to $1 million through their partner insurance program. That is real safety, and that is a real way to make your cash work for you instead of sitting dead in a traditional bank. Second, if you want to step it up a notch without taking on stock market volatility, you need to look at their income portfolios, specifically their money market option. Right now, Wealthsimple offers a money market portfolio that pays a steady 2.5% interest rate with zero market risk. No management fees. Your money accumulates interest daily, paid out monthly. It is entirely liquid, meaning unlike a traditional GIC, your money is never locked away under lock and key. If an emergency happens, you pull that money out. This is a beautiful tool for what I call your short-term bucket, the money you know you are going to need to live on over the next 12 to 24 months. Third, you can earn money through their managed investing platform, which uses software and automated algorithms to manage a portfolio of low-cost index funds for you based on your personal risk tolerance. For someone in retirement, you would look strictly at their conservative portfolio. This is heavily weighted toward government bonds and stable, income-producing assets. They charge a small management fee, 0.5% for standard accounts, dropping to 0.4% once you cross that $100,000 threshold. It rebalances itself automatically, which means it sells when things are high and buys when things are low without you having to lift a finger or watch the stock market ticker every afternoon. But I want to give you a very serious warning here. If you choose to invest in the market using their platform, you must use the proper account structures to shield your earnings from the taxman. If you earn money in a standard, non-registered account, the government is going to take a bite out of your interest and your capital gains every single year. You must utilize your tax-free savings account, your TFSA, where every single dollar of interest, dividends, and growth you earn is 100% tax-free for the rest of your life. Or, if you are transitioning your registered retirement savings plan, you can manage your RRSP right there on the platform and eventually convert it into a registered retirement income fund, RRIF, when you turn 71 to start taking your mandatory minimum withdrawals in a controlled, tax-deferred manner. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? How do you take control of this? Do not just download an app and throw your life savings into it because it sounds easy. If you want to explore earning money here, start small. Open a single, free Wealthsimple checking account. Move a small amount of your everyday cash over, maybe $5,000 or $10,000, and just watch how it works. See the interest deposit into your account at the start of the month. Get used to the interface. Check the security features. Ensure your two-factor authentication is turned on so that your phone acts as a secondary lock and key for your peace of mind. Once you are comfortable, look at your retirement timeline. Take the money you need for the next 2 years, keep it safe in the high-interest checking or the 2.5% money market portfolio where it cannot lose value. Only then, if you have money you do not need for the next 5 to 10 years, do you look at their conservative managed investing portfolio to help fight off the silent thief of retirement, which is inflation.